Hello everyone, let's take a piece of paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Yeah, just like this and stick it together, and now use the scissor and cut the end in a curved manner. You will see a flower like structure is ready. Now make more of them and stick them together to make a big and beautiful flower. Now make a circle of orange color like this and make some lines in a crisscross pattern and stick it onto the center of the flower. Now do the same, make a circle and stick the straw as a stem. Now we will make some leaf and two eyes and a mouth. Now use some paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Cut the strips like this and fold it together. Now make the eyes and the mouth and the tail. Yes, it is a fish. Wow. Take a paper and trace your wrist and make two ears and cut out the center like this. You will see we have made a mask. Now use some white color and make mouth and the ear. Yes, this is a tiger that we are making, and this mask is looking really good. Right now add the straw to one side. Now take a sheet of paper and cut out the strip like this by folding the paper obviously. Now stick the paper like this and again roll it into a cylinder like this. The flower is ready. Now take a sheet of paper and cut it out like this. A small flower is ready and at the center, and now yes, this is a bouquet. Thanks for watching.